In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from your HSBC account to another bank account. Whether you're paying a friend, a family member, or perhaps moving funds to another one of your own accounts, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. So let's get started. First, you'll need to have the HS mobile banking app installed on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure you do so. Once you have the app ready, open it and log in using your credentials. Logging in will take you to the main dashboard where you can see your account overview and various options. From the main menu, look for an option that says Pay Someone or Pay in the UK. This is where you'll start the process of setting up a transfer. Once you tap on that, you'll need to select Add New Payee. This is the step where you input the details of the person or account you want to send money to. Now, carefully enter the recipient's sort code and account number. It's crucial to double-check these numbers to avoid sending money to the wrong account. After entering these details, tap Check Pay Details. This option helps verify the account information you've just entered. It ensures that everything is in order before you proceed with the transfer. Once the payee details are confirmed, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to send. Along with the amount, you'll also choose the payment reason. This could be anything from paying a friend, a family member, or transferring funds to your own account. Selecting a payment reason not only helps you keep track of your transactions, but also provides clarity in your banking records. Next, it's time to review all the payment details. This is your chance to make sure everything is accurate before you finalize the transaction. If everything looks good, tap on Continue to move it forward. Finally, to authorize and complete the transfer, you'll need to confirm the transaction. This is typically done using your security PIN or another authentication method that HSBC provides. Once you've confirmed, your money will be successfully transferred to the other bank account. And there you have it. With just a few taps on your mobile app, you've transferred money swiftly and securely from your HSBC account to another bank. Remember, always ensure your login details and payee information are correct to maintain the security of your transactions. Thanks for following along, and happy banking.